In this exclusive tutorial, we will be building this animated websites with AI, and you'll learn how to create graphics like this, how to create animations. So this is just Figma. This is where we're starting. But yeah, thank you for joining the platform. This tutorial can be only found here. So without further ado, let's get started. And the way that I found this template was on Dribbble. So it's basically a butterfly image that I found. I really liked it, so this is just a screenshot and take it from here. It's basically Unreal, but with AI I just take a screenshot of this and I go to ChatGPT or any AI image generation that you use, Nano Banana, and basically I ask it to, the prompt is generate an image exactly of this butterfly but no text or other element, just this butterfly, and I attach just a screenshot. And as you can see, this was from ChatGPT, and he generated this image, which looks pretty cool. But then I generated like a few more, so I wanted to have one on the right, one on the left. Let's try this. The prompt here was generate an image of this butterfly, but no text or other elements, just this butterfly and a few more butterfly on the left and on the right. Later, we can animate this and add it to our AI website. For now, let's just download it and see how it looks like in Figma before we move to the AI. Let's paste it here and let's make it fit so it doesn't crop anything, and increase the size like this, maybe do like this. Of course, we can put that in the background later, but for now it's just a screenshot. But yeah, I think it looks pretty cool. And now let's actually build it with AI. There are a couple of apps that we can build it, whether it's Lovable, whether it's Bolt, whether it's anti-gravity. So let me think where I want to build it. Let's actually build it with Lovable, since that's where I have the most credits. And the original landing page that I took this structure from was this one. Let me just quickly find it. Oh yeah, this one. I like the structure of it. I think it looks pretty cool. So I'm gonna use plugin TipMagic, and I'm gonna just copy the hero section. So the way that I do that is I click on the headline, and then I click a couple of times on the arrow app, and ideally it will take our hero section. And I wanna also this running line. Okay, so we can add that separately. Let's just copy. And before asking Lovable to rebuild this, I'm going to go to HTML preview and I'm going to see if it take everything. Don't look like this has no styles. It will gonna look good in Lovable. So then I'm gonna go to Lovable, and then I'm gonna just say, build out this hero section. As simple as that. Build out this. Oh shit. No microphone. I don't need microphone, what the build out this hero section. And let's paste our code. I want to see if this pastes everything correctly, so let's go again HTML. Yeah, it looks like everything is good. Let's just send that. And in the meantime, we can animate our image. So I think this image looks pretty cool. I'm gonna click animate this. And I'm gonna try a few different options. So the first, I want to have it looping. So to do that, we're gonna download that image, and then we're gonna add it as an end frame. So we have it in our computer. Let's remove this, and I'm just gonna add it. So the tool that I'm using is Hixfield. I'm not sponsored by them. It is expensive, so I suggest going directly to Kling 3.0 and using that. Animate this under fixed no audio. So let's do like 6 seconds, and let's just generate it. And also I want to try using Grok Imagen. So this is from X. Let's choose 6 seconds also. The quality is not that great here, but whatever. And let's just wait and see what it comes back with. In the meantime, we can see what our Lovable is built out. So as you can see, we have this hero section. Let's add a navbar. So I'm gonna go to this website again, and I'm gonna copy the navbar. Let's copy the navbar here. Just select one thing and then move up. Oops, not like that. Too much. Let's do one more time. Click on any element and then do like this. click up. Yeah, hopefully we got the navbar now. Let's preview it. Yeah, we got it. So now we can go to our AI and then say add this navbar, but replace the current logo that is in the code with this logo that I've attached as an image. Let's paste the code. And then we're gonna go to Logo Ipsum. This is a free logo website that you can just take random logos from here. We're gonna paste it in Figma first to make the colors. Actually, let's just find like this, similar to what we have in here. So I'm just gonna paste it, make the color white, and I'm gonna copy it as PNG. I'm gonna go back to our Lovable site, and I'm gonna attach this image here, and let's just send that and see what it comes back with. So we have this beautiful button here. Let's look at some results of our animation. This is the Grok animation. Looks pretty cool, but the problem with this is not looping animation. So let's try again, but let's try 15 seconds. Since it is not looping, we want it to be as long as possible. I still have some credits. So this is our navbar. Let's improve a few things. As you can see here, we have some underlines below the text. Let's get rid of that. I'm gonna say remove the underline in the navbar text. Also, let's why does it fucking create this thing? Yeah, let's just remove that. And also, let's rewrite the whole text on the website to be about animation agency, but keep the same number of characters. Write this, but keep the same number. Write this. Write. Oh my god, what the on the whole website to be about let's just send that, and let's see what we have for our animation. Looks pretty cool. Let's look at what Kling did. Very bad. So we're gonna use the animation that Grok created. Even though it is not looping, it is not a problem. Because this is a long animation, we can just add a fade out at the end, so it's kind of becoming black. And then it just start playing for the beginning. I see this many websites do this type of stuff. Let's say instead of this image in here section, let's place the video URL. And for the video URL, I'm just gonna copy it like this, open, and then we're gonna open the video in the new tab, copy the URL, and we're gonna paste it in here. Now let's copy the text underneath the image. Oh, where is that? So we're gonna copy this text, the running line, oops, it has some link, I guess. So the way that I can copy this, because the way I cannot, it opens the link, is I inspect element and I just removed everything from the page. I just left this thing. So I'm just gonna use tool, copy full page. And now I'm gonna go to preview it. You can see this is the whole page. And I'm gonna say in the code below, you can find the marquee animation of the text, the green text added below your section, but do not add anything else. Just take the marquee animation from that code that I will send you. And let's just send and see what it comes back with. So for this, I think we can move text a little bit up so it is not overlapping the image. And I'm going to say remove the top padding above the Framelix Cinematic Motion Studios text. So it's maybe 50 pixels padding from the navbar, but not more. And let's just add it to the queue. And we have this, but it doesn't have marquee animation for some reasons. And I'm also going to remove the link from that, because now it brings me to some other page when I click on it. And let's see how the navbar works here. The navbar is not fixed when scrolling. The AI always freaking fixes the navbar when scrolling. So let's just say that. The navbar should not be sticky or fixed when scrolling. It should stay at the top. Remove that thing from the navbar. Let's just send that. Also, I want to change the color of the marquee animation to be this. Change the background of the marquee animation from green to this color. And I think this thing is too big. I think we can So the next section is this one. I don't really like this 3D, so let's find something else. Maybe something like this we can create. Let's look at the images here. So we don't just really want to copy this, we want to remix it. So I think this animation is pretty cool, but again, we don't want to copy that. So what we can do is find something else. So for the next, let's just try this design, but there is another butterfly. So let's just zoom in here and take a screenshot. Go to our AI generation image thing, plot this, and we're gonna say this prompt. Just send that. And let's see, this was ChatGPT, the best option, I believe. This was Nano Banana. Let's try Nano Banana and ChatGPT. So I'm gonna send, let's choose 1:1 ratio to be square. Then Nano Banana Pro, of course, and we're gonna choose 1:1 ratio to be square again. And let's just generate it and see what it comes back with. Which one would be the best for our next section. In the meantime, we can just build it out and see how it looks. So I'm gonna just use the plugin again, Toolbox. Let's copy this whole thing. Yep, like that, copy. Let's preview if it's all right. Yeah, it looks all right. Let's go back to our Lovable site. I'm gonna say below, let's add another section. Here is the code. And let's just paste the code, see if it's pasted correct. And let's just send that and wait to see what it comes back with. So this is the result that we received. Oh, I forgot to mention on the light background, on a white background. And not specifically white, we need the background to be of this color. So let's see if it's even able to create that. Oh wow, this created on the white background. On this So ChatGPT, I like more results, so let's try that with that again. Here's our result. Let's take a screenshot of this thing. I'm gonna remove the link so we have a better design. I want to preview it in Figma before building an animation to see if this is the right thing that we need. Let's just paste it here. Paste it here. Go back to our site. Get the thing. The background is a little bit different, but we can kind of maybe see a little bit lighter. So if we make it a little bit lighter, or maybe something like this. But this looks like a bug. Maybe not a lot of people like bugs, so let's actually change it to something else. Some 3D image would work here, probably really good. So many 3D images, just need to find one that I like. Since we're building a website for animation company, it doesn't have to make sense too much. Anything could work here. That is, we can animate later to look great. But honestly, let's just use that. If someone doesn't like that, that's not our problem. Let's try this. Maybe it's a little bit closer in terms of background. Yeah, it looks like it did the perfect background color, which is absolutely what we needed. So let's animate this now. Click animate. We're gonna use Grok again, since that's what did the best results last time. We're gonna choose 12 seconds or 15 seconds. We're gonna click, yeah, 12 seconds. Okay, let's just click generate and see what it comes back. Let's go back to our logo and see the next section. Let's wait and see what it generates. This is what I received just now. Let's preview it and see what it is. Unfortunately, this is not what exactly we need. I know how to fix it, because we have currently, it will fall outside of the thing and it will not look good. So we need to create something like this. Check the background, put it inside, make it larger. Not so large, like this. So it will have a place to animate it inside of it, like this. Probably would work. Let's just export this as a JPEG. And I'll try another prompt with this. There is another prompt that I had: do not change size or position. Let's try this one and see what it comes back with. This is the result that we got from Grok. I think this looks pretty cool. So let's just open it and ask it to add to our website. Let's go here and I'm gonna say instead of the image in the second section, let's add this video in that place. Please do not make it fill, make it fit, so it's not that big. It should be square and about 600 pixels wide and high. Let's see if I was close. 400. I mean 600 would look good, okay, since this would be in the background. And yeah, so that would be, oh my god, this is too small. Make it larger. So just like this, then you can, to create the rest of the website, remove top and bottom padding from this video. So it should be closer to the button and closer to the text, if you know what I mean. And then to create the rest of the website, you would just say, create me the rest of the website in the style that we already started working with. And yeah, based on that, should have some nice text, typography, follow all the rest of the stuff that we already built. And it will create it. But for now, let's just see why it's not adding this, not removing the padding. Oh, I see, because this video have a lot of spacing here. Add negative padding to the video from the top and from the bottom, so that we want the text to go on the video itself. Oh yeah, just like that. Oh man, where's the headline? Why the headline disappeared? What the heck did you do, man? I think this because the headline is oh yeah, now it looks great. So yeah, this is how we build it. Thank you for watching, and yeah.